What is up, everybody? It is Life's Apprentice. Well, I have made a few videos that I have not put out yet. This one will go out before those, but I have some really cool videos coming out a little bit later than in the week. One of them is going to be the 1-year review on Greenhead, how much money we made, expenses, everything like that. I'm going to lay that out in extreme detail for you guys, like no one else has ever done on YouTube. But another note, this morning Laura had to go in to have her gallbladder removed. She's been having some issues, and early this morning, she basically went to the hospital for surgery, kind of an emergency thing. So if you guys can keep her in your hearts and prayers, as far as I know, everything is okay and she will recover fairly fast, but she's going to be down for the count for a little while. So Chelsea is out running dumpsters in the new truck, and it's 1:30 right now. We have a full dumpster here that I need to get to the dump. Chelsea's just not going to have time to do, so I'm going to pitch in and run this dumpster to the dump. But make sure you guys hit the like button for Laura, keep her in your thoughts and prayers, and hopefully she will be back with a full recovery soon. So I'm going to load this dumpster up and get this bad boy to the dump. A lot of work getting those shots for you guys. I just had to move the camera on the tarper like 3 times. Hit that thumbs up. Hi there, 20-yard Oshkosh. No, this is Justin. Net weight 3,100, $73.14. They thought I was Tim. Obviously, I don't drive dumpsters enough. Used to seeing me with the dump trailer and shingles. Try to get you guys some cool shots in the dump here, but the supervisor of the dump is in the truck right in front of me. And I've been yelled at before for filming. Yep, he's going across the road straight. So I'm gonna try it. I have to be sneaky. I'm gonna have to untarp over here and just put you guys up on the dumpster. That way they don't see me put a camera up there, and I'll just pretend like you guys aren't even there. You'll get to see the whole process. I don't think I've ever filmed the whole process before. I'm also not wearing high vis, so I'll probably get yelled at for that. There's a shirt over there I can put on or something. And there's a jacket back there, but it's way too hot to wear a jacket. So I'm gonna sneak you guys up on the dumpster here. hope you like those a little bit different camera angles and camera shots there. Just a quick video, not really a whole lot going on. We are fairly busy, not sold out by any means, but this weekend is going to be the 4th of July weekend. I consider that one of the big 3 weekends for the dumpster rental business of the year. You have Memorial Day, 4th of July, and then Labor Day. So everyone out there who's in the business, hopefully everybody has empty yards this weekend, including us. I know we're sitting at about half capacity right now. It is Monday. So usually Mondays are cleanup days, and later in the week is when we get the dumpsters back out. But keep your thoughts and prayers for Laura. And Laura, if you're watching, we love you.
We miss you.
We miss you.
I don't like to drive without you.
Yeah, and hopefully you get better and can get back in the horse here pretty quick. So if you guys,
one day, I need you back.
Yeah, we already miss you. That's it for this video. Hit the thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't. I got a bunch of cool videos coming out, and we will see you on the next one.